Hey everyone, Michael Hammond here for your Monday morning fuel up. Monday is our chance to get what we get to do, not what we have to do. Hope all of you had a great weekend. I had a good weekend. I had a very productive weekend. I had a number of projects around the house, inside and outside, to do. Had some work I needed to get done for NexLevel and spent some time getting that done, but also had a chance to relax a little bit, think, ponder, get some reading done, listen to some podcasts. So I hope all of you guys had a fantastic weekend. It is hard to believe we are in the last day of July. August is almost upon us. It's now going to start being crunch time, right? Fall conferences are going to start gearing up. We've got to start ramping up for those. There's a lot of things that we need to do if we want to end the year strong. And as I was thinking and pondering about the different discussions I've had the last couple of weeks and what are some of the pain points that people are still struggling with in the industry, whether it's a loan officer trying to fill their pipeline and close more business, whether it's the technology vendors trying to close more deals with lenders and lenders and credit unions and banks. I think one of the biggest things we have to realize is in this environment, first, your number one competitor is probably status quo. People just sitting on the fence, not making a decision. You have to learn how to overcome that. But the bigger point that I want to make today, and the bigger pain point, is people have to learn how to balance creating urgency in the short term while still having the long view. Right? If you only focus on here, oh my gosh, my pipeline is terrible. I've got to get more deals closed, and you hear all these little sales catchphrases, always be closing, always be closing. Well, that's not great advice if you're not doing it the right way. And if you only have long view, you can't pay any of the damn bills, right? You have no money coming in. So there has to be a balance and an understanding. And I think one of the biggest mistakes people are making right now is as they feel that pressure, they start pushing and they're not really adding any value, right? So here's the follow-up. Did you get my email? Did you get my email? Did you fill out the form? Did you fill out our online form? As soon as you fill out the online form, I can start working on getting you the loan. Or a vendor. Did you get our contract? Did you get a chance to review the contract? Did you sign the contract? Just wanted to follow up. Just following up. Stop. What we need to do if we're going to follow up with people, if we're going to try to create urgency, first we have to focus on relationships, not transactions. And secondly, and most importantly, how do you add value in each one of those different correspondences and communications? Right? If you're just asking, following up. Did you get the contract? That's not adding value. Add value by really showing how you can help them accomplish what they're trying to accomplish. The dream of home ownership, how they can get into the house that they want at an affordable rate, or explain the different financing options so it fits within their budget. If you're a vendor, how does your solution help solve some of the pain points that lenders are dealing with right now? The rising cost to originate loans, inefficiencies in the back office, how to fill their pipeline, how to better manage leads so no lead falls through the cracks. If you can focus your message and your correspondence and your communication on adding value each time you communicate with them, your odds of closing are a lot higher. And more importantly, you're going to build a long-term relationship. Let's go out there and make it a wonderful week.